Hello everyone, welcome again to Clever Cook. In keeping with the pig's feet theme, if you remember my last video, that was pig's feet in red sauce, barbecue, pig's feet, the whole pig's feet, uncut. And it was very simple. You just boil it starting in cold water, add salt and a couple tablespoons of Italian seasoning. And you let it boil up to 45 minutes to get the rolling boil. Then you reduce the heat to about medium high and continue until you have a total of about 2.5 hours. These were done just about 2 hours. I could have gone a little more, but they're still pretty good. So then you remove them from the water. You just place them in the pan. You see I have 7 here. You brush them with the barbecue sauce after you put a little Worcestershire on them, and I topped it with a little oregano. So I like to use KC Masterpiece and lean parents. They really add some flavor. So in case you're wondering, is it really possible to have juicy and tender, delicious pig's feet with barbecue sauce? Does that answer your question? Like, comment, and subscribe, and watch. Thank you for watching Clever Cook, and remember, do it right or don't do it at all. Have a great weekend.